Hey guys, you can offer the quantity bundles onto the Shopify product page and it can help you increase your average order value. Let me show you how. If the customer lands on your product page and they visually see the value they are getting if they buy more, like if they buy two, they can save 10%. If they buy three, they can save 20%. So they are more likely to get the best value deal from you, and as a result your average order value will increase. And I have created this solution that you can use in any kind of Shopify theme, and there will be no monthly charges, and you can fully control the design using the CSS. And I will be sharing the step-by-step guide to implement this into the Shopify Dawn theme. But if you have some coding knowledge, you can implement in any kind of the Shopify theme. Okay, um, you can use in these kind of niches, for example, socks and apparels, uh, pet supplies, snacks and food items, etc. And let's see how we can use this. First of all, you have to go to the themes and edit the code. Once the code editor is opened, you can just create a snippet, buy more and save more. In the snippets, you have to create a buy more and save more. I have already created this one, and you have to copy and paste in the buy more and save more snippet this code. And in the step 2, you have to go to the main product dot liquid section. You have to search for this one, this code, and after the closing curly braces you have to paste this code. Let's copy right from here, and you can see after the closing curly bracket you have to paste your code. I have already pasted this one right here, you can see. And in the third step, in you have to go to the main product dot liquid and search for this line, and above this line you have to paste this code like this one. And let's save the file. And in the fourth step you have to create a new product template, and after that you have to assign the newly created product template to the corresponding product. Now you have to go to the theme editor by pressing this button, and I have already opened the theme editor, and in the products I will create a new template. I will name it socks because I am using the socks product based upon the default product template. And I will go to the products, and I am using the bundles for this product, so I'll choose this template, newly created template for this one. And from here I will load the product, and I'll use the block that we have already created by copying and pasting these code blocks. So I will just use the buy more and save more block right here. Okay, we have here buy more and save more block. I will remove the heading. Okay, we have three deals right here, deal number 1, 2 and 3. In the deal 1 we are offering only 1. So I will change the label to buy 1 and adjust the quantity to 1 because we are offering only 1, and the final price of this deal is $19 because we are offering no discount right here. And I will remove, you can see in the badge text we can use any kind of badge text right here. For example, popular, and save, and this saving actually will be replaced by the actual saving amount. Because there is no saving amount, we can remove the badge text right from the deal number 1. And in the deal 1 we can use the single image of the product, and in the deal 2 we are offering 2 items, and I will adjust the quantity to 2, and we are offering 10% discount. So 10% discount for 2 items. Let's calculate the 10% final price of the 10% discount. 19 times 2, and if we get the 10% discount, it will be 90% of this one. It comes to 13.2 as the final price. Okay, the final price of this deal is the $34.2. So you can see we are actually getting the saving amount in 10%. So you can see this saving and this saving is replaced by the actual saving amount. So we can we can adjust the badge or label text accordingly. So I will remove the saving from the label text and keep right here, and I can also write popular right here, and we can also adjust the badge color. And in the third deal we are offering the 3 items, and I will adjust the 3 items and 20% discount. So 19 times 3, and if we apply the 20% discount we will get 45.6. You can if you don't understand the calculations, maybe you can also ask the chat GPT to calculate this for you. Okay, you can see 20% discount, and we can adjust the images according to our need. Okay, all right, we have our bundle widget ready. Now we can we have to apply the actual discounts. So we can go to the discounts, and there we can create a amount of product and automatic discount. I will create the discount name as bundle, 10% off socks bundle, 10% off, and 10% on the specific product. I will search for the socks, this item, and I will add the condition like if we buy 2 we get the 10% discount, and I'll combine with other discounts as well, and I'll save this one. And I'll duplicate this one to create the 20% discount. and I'll adjust the conditions right here. If we buy 3 items, then it is 20% off. Okay, let me delete the previous discounts that I created so that there will be no conflict. Okay, we have created the discounts. Now let's add, okay, let's add the 2 items into the cart. You can see socks bundle 10% off. If we increase the quantity, you can see it is 20% off. So in this way you can increase the average order value of the Shopify store. And also if you add this visual description, like if offer the free shipping or the free gift, you can also increase the average order value further. I have created the code snippets and the description video for this as well. You can check that. So I hope you like this video. Please let me know if you have any suggestions or questions. I'll be happy to help you. Thank you.